and you guys decide that you're not just going to have PTZ cameras, you're actually going to work with New Tech and come out with a mixer. It's a mixer with a control surface and a PTZ controller all in one. And it's actually got the heart of a TriCaster Mini in it. So talk about that product a little bit.
So Panasonic makes a switcher for a very long time. What unique about HLC 100 is it's not only a switcher, but a PTZ controller. So it has a 3D control for pan, tilt, zoom, and iris and everything. Also preset buttons. So you can actually have a controller and a switcher combined in it. It's an 8-input switcher. And it also does audio processing, audio mixings. Not only that, it will do streaming and recording. So you have the whole stream studio built into one box. And the idea behind HLC 100 was, if you don't have too many people to operate, as you know very well,
yep.
If you need a controller, you need a switcher, you need a recording for streaming, encoding, decoding. So all these boxes that you operate, it becomes very difficult. This makes it very easy. One box and does it all, basically.
Yeah, and we found this product has been a home run, especially in like the worship, the worship vertical, because churches, they don't have a whole lot of volunteers, a whole lot of people to operate their shows. So now I use PTZ cameras, I use this box, and one volunteer can actually learn how to use this box and run an entire church that's a very high level production, including, going to overflow rooms, streaming it live, just a phenomenal solution for worship.
Yeah, so worship, the interesting part about worship is they usually run by the volunteers. So to train them, volunteers, becomes a challenge. And this becomes very easy to set up. Once you set it up, all you have to do is ask the volunteer to press which button to press in order to do the streaming, in order to cut the package. Everything can be done much more easier. You can even title it. So that makes worshiper really beneficial for them.
Thank you for watching this highlight from the Video Guys Live webinar. If you like this video or you want to learn more, check out the full webinar in our description, or head on over to videoguys.com for more information.